Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys, you are all doing good. Guys, today we are continuing with this TFX Fisher EA, because you must learn every details of how this system works, and this is the system that helps people or saves people's time from trading manually using TFX Nairobi plus the abacus. So it's all about using the technology to make money and using the technology to save the time. And we as a TFX company, we always do all our best to make sure everything is possible, because you don't have to spend all the time on your screen trading manually, because you have to say it's not healthy, it's unhealthy surely. You have to save your eyes for the future, because my friend, you are still getting old each and every day. So guys, this is why we are supposed to work with professionals, and this is why we are supposed to understand the Forex basics, so that whenever you purchase system anywhere, you know how the system it works. So this video, it's all about the strategy 2 and the strategy 3 of the TFX Fisher EA. Number 1, let's go direct. We can see we have a buy here for USD card, and we also have the GPP, Euro GPP also with the buy signal. If I can change my setup here to my manual, you'll see that everything is confirmed, because I have to let all these indicators so that you can show them all. You know, when we are using only the EA, you won't see other indicators except the Fishers, because this is our last confirmation of where we take the trade. After all confirmation, we always wait the setup of our D Fisher, and all settings they are shared there on our VIP group. So you can see this buy, we already in 14, let's 14 pips, and when we go here we have already on 15 pips, and also everything is confirmed. If I can share the template for TFX and Nairobi manual system plus the abacus here, you can see we are already in 15 pips. And this is the system that even when using manually, it can save a lot, even when you have an equity of even $100, even below. This is the best Fisher EA. Save your time from manual. And I said this, I don't want to say this online. This I said it in the group because people are happy. For those people who bought the manual, they know what we did in order to get the Fisher EA. So let's go back to our Fisher template so that I can explain. All our system, we say they are doing full analysis. So having a buy in USD card, and we say that they are all now, any of the EA, either MT4 or MT5, it analyzes the market from monthly candle charts and also Renko chart, and it will picking the trades according to the Renko chart after the confirmation of the candle chart. So the candle chart now should be agreeing with the Renko that it is a buy thing. So let us go to our GPP, Euro GPP. Euro pound. Let us go to, because we can see now everything is confirmed and there is a good buy. Let us go to chart analysis or candle analysis. When we go to this, it's a weekly time frame, and this is the reason why you must have the basics, because I do believe a lot of people they have these basics that a good trading, if you want to be profitable in Forex market, you must know how to analyze the market from big time frame to small time frame. And you can imagine now the TFX company, our system, our EA, you can activate them to analyze both candle charts and Renko charts. So that's what we call full analysis. And when trading with the full analysis, this means you can't miss. It can't miss any opportunity. You can see on our Euro GPP here, we are buying. There's a buy because we are coming from support here, very strong support. It's a weekly time frame, and you can see it is an up trade. So this is why, after analyzing this area, and when it jumps to Renko, it will be waiting for buy. So it is good to understand this even before purchasing this EA, because it is good to know how it works. So it analyzes the market the way I'm showing you. Let's go to our USD card. You can see also here there is a buy. Why? Because we are coming from the support. So there is a support here, and it must be profitable. Also in on our in our Renko chart, you can see this is why it can buy all this way, and this is the second buy. You know, we have 1, 2, 2. Why is this 2? When you go to magic number here, you'll find that they are different. We have 31.51.8 and 31.51.9, or 31.51.9. This means they are two strategies that I'm about to share with you. The reason why it gives different magic, it gives us it is to make us know that it is two strategies that has picked the trade. So this is why we have one trade and second trade, or if it is GPP, Euro GPP, we have one trade, second trade, and the magic number are different, meaning it's picking according to the different strategies. So let's go back again to our analysis. So I believe now you get full understanding of that it must analyze. You can see now on a weekly time frame, we are coming from a support. It is very, very simple. It is very simple. Even when trading manually, our system will guide you from weekly to Renko chart. So it will, our Renko file, it analyze market from candle chart to Renko chart. So this is so professional, and this is so profitable to all traders, because our Renko file can do everything for you. It doesn't matter whether you are trading manually or you are now saving yourself or saving your time using the TFX Fisher EA. And remember, we have this system for MT4 and both also for MT5 platform. So guys, you can see at the analysis. So if you get that maybe it's there is a sell and we're coming from the support, then something is wrong, because it must do what a human being can do, but more than you, because you can't jump from this time frame to another 4 hours, blah, 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 blah. Allow our TFX Renko file to analyze the market for you and give you the perfect entry. So after analyzing this candle chart, this is the candle chart from the weekly, it will jump to Renko and look for buy, because they now must agree. Renko, so we are not relying only with the Renko. Now it's a mixer of Renko and candle. So whoever have been looking for Renko, don't just work with Renko alone. Allow the TFX company now to work with full analysis, candle analysis, and also Renko analysis. Combination of those charts analysis, they are more than just price action analysis, or it's more than a fundamental analysis. This is a full analysis, because it will analyze the candles and at the same time the Renko and give you a perfect entry. And don't forget, this works with now all our EAs by in simplicity, by activating these zone handle. So if you don't, if you deactivate the zone handle, this tells us it won't analyze the candle and the Renko. It will only work with the Renko chart. So if you only want to work with the Renko chart without full analysis, only Renko chart analysis, and remember also Renko, it will analyze from monthly to minute one, then you can deactivate a zone. But professionally and profitable, it is good, and it is my advice to all our system users to activate zone handle so that it can do full analysis. Keep that in mind. Full analysis, it's only by one click by activating zone handle for both MT4 or MT5. Then from there, it will do a full analysis. Now, on our VIP, we learned about strategy 1 here, and you can see it is in false. They know why. But to our viewers in the YouTube channel, I just want to explain about the strategy 2. So the strategy 2, it is for zones, handle, and the D Fisher. Zones, handle, and the D Fisher. And the strategy 3, it is zone and zone. That's what I want you to understand. So let us start with strategy 1. Strategy 2, sorry. The strategy 2, we find that it's only zone, handle, and Fisher. So this means in strategy 2, let's analyze here in GPP, USD, the reason why it picks 2 trades. So one of the strategy too, it will only pick because there is a support. There is a support in candle chart, because it after analyzing that, then it will pick the trades according to D Fisher in a Renko chart, like here. It will only pick after our D Fisher hits these zones and after full analysis. Now, the strategy 3, there is this of strategy 3, zone and zone. This means zone and handle. This means that zone and zone, we must come from zone. We must have a zone like this one for the support on our candle chart, and they must have also a zone on our Renko chart. So we must, strategy 2, we don't have any zone in on our Renko chart. It will lie only with the D Fisher. But the strategy 3, we must have zones in both charts, Renko chart and the candle chart. What does that mean? It means that if I deactivate, let's say if I deactivate all these two charts, it means that I can only trade zones to zones, or zone and zone, which means the candle chart, we must be from support all resistance zones or support zones. And when we jump to our Renko chart, it must be also from support all resistance zone. But that one, I'm just explaining so that you can get familiar of how this system does professional analysis, because you don't have to worry about that, because that is the work of our Renko file. That is the work of our Renko file. It's coded to a point that it can do good analysis more than you, because this will cost you a lot. You must jump to weekly, daily time frame, 4 hours before looking for the entries that you're looking for in small time frame. But when it comes to our Renko file, it will analyze all charts, all time frames, and combine them, and it will stick in a weekly, right? It will stick on a weekly time frame. It is not your work to take the Renko to a weekly. Let me show you an example here. So let us pick even like this chart. You can see, I just want to show you, it is the work of our Renko file. We are in 1 hour time frame. You can check it here. We are in a 1 hour time frame. So if I pick, for instance, this is the Renko for the D Fisher, Fisher EA. If I pick this one, it is the work of the EA to collect all data and take us to a weekly time frame of the candle, and then open the Renko chart for us, because that is the work of the Renko file, to analyze, to collect all data and give us a perfect entry. And don't forget, this is MT4, right? And we expecting, because they are normal currencies, we expecting we can have red news or impact news, the strong one that has been blowing people's account by those spikes in the market. But our EA will deal with that. Even our manual will deal with that. So you can't trade with fear of whether they will have news or not. So let's click. It's only by one click. It is only by one click, right? After one click, it is the work of the Renko file to collect data and to analyze charts for you guys. So let's wait and see. You can see for yourself, guys. Now we are on a weekly time frame, right? It's just one click. If I click it again, it won't change anything. It will stick there, because we all know that monthly, weekly, and daily, they are very, very reliable and profitable when doing charts analysis. So this is so professional, guys. And we share this video to give you full understanding of how our system analyzes the market. Don't just buy the system because someone is sharing the result or someone is saying this, get full knowledge of how the system works. This is why now You are not supposed to be fearful when it comes to TFX system, because all our system Renko file, they must analyze charts from Renko to candle and give you a perfect entry. You can see now when we jump here, now we have USD CHF Renko preparing for a buy. It was late. You can see there was a good buy here. Let's jump here, but it won't buy because it is a sell thing, right? It is a sell thing. It is a down trade. As a down trade, it will be looking for sell. This is why it can't buy here. Even if there is a signal, it can't buy. It can only buy here if the strategy one was activated, because the strategy one, it's only for the D Fisher, right? But it won't buy if the handle is activated and it is a down trade. So you can imagine how much you can make from this area, because it was an up trade and it won't sell at these pullbacks, right? You can imagine how much you can make from this area to this weekly time frame resistance, from a weekly resistance now again looking for weekly support. So things are very easier, right, guys? And again, let us open our trades here, our EA here, and check for this area. Where is this area? It's something I want to confirm to you guys here. Just there we go. You can see there is a trade flash news. These are the news or things that happens behind the market, stuff that we always experience, those spikes in the market. And this is what makes a lot of people to fear trading in MT4, because they always think, what about news? What about blah, blah, blah? They have experience of blowing their account through this news, my friend, because of those spikes. The system, it's already, we have dealt with that. There is nothing to fear. Whether there's red news, so you don't have that time to watch whether there is non-farm payroll. You know, a lot of people, they fear non-farm payroll, yeah, right? There is nothing now to fear with that. If the news comes, trust me, the system will hunt the news automatically. So there is no way you can blow your account, because the system is there to protect your account. Even the manual system, don't forget that. Even our TFX Nairobi manual plus the abacus, it will hunt those news for you. So when they come, those impact news or those strong news, when they come, trust me, that will be profitable on your side. It will come to favor you, because the system is there to hunt even those news. So guys, I just want to remind you that that's how now our all system are. And if you are outside there and maybe you have our system and maybe it's not upgraded or updated, please don't hesitate to contact us, and make sure if you have any of our system, make sure, because you have to join our VIP group. That is where we share a lot of secret settings about our EA, because we saw it's a waste of time sharing settings on YouTube while people don't have our system. So it's a waste of time. It's good to share settings and some tricks there on our VIP. For YouTube, guys, our viewers, it is to give you the knowledge of how our system works, how it analyzes the market, so that you can get familiar with it and see if it is what you have been looking for. So don't just purchase system either to TFX company or to other software developers without knowing how the system works, and if it works according to how a normal human being, a real trader, can work. If it is the work of a trader to do all analysis before taking trades, and we all know that, unless gamblers in the market, we all know as a trader, you must have Forex basics. You must know how to analyze the market before entering or before taking the trades. And if we all know that, then you can now judge if the TFX system are professional. They save your time, not because they are gambling, but because they analyze the market more than you can do. right, guys? And they give a perfect entry, because I do believe you manually, you alone, it will be hard for you to analyze candle charts from this time frame to another, then going to Renko, then confirming. It is tiresome, and finally you'll get tired and start gambling in the market. But if you allow the TFX company to work close with you guys, it is the work of our EA, it is the work of our Renko file to do everything for you. Your work, it is to bank money each and every time. I do believe that, guys, now you get full understanding of how the TFX Fisher EA works and how our system analyzes the market. So, guys, it's your decision. If you have the basics, now you know that the system is so professional and it's unbelievable, but it is what it is. Thank you so much, guys. And once again, welcome to TFX family. Let's bank money together. Thank you.